Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the beginning of a little series that I think I'm gonna do. Just sharing my makeup collection with you guys. I just want to share with you guys some products that I love and products that I have, and just like tell you about all the ones that I have. So I'll go like section by section. Like today will be highlighters, I'll do eyeshadow palettes in another episode, lipsticks in another, etc, etc. As long as you guys enjoy them, I'll keep going. Stay tuned for that. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Come hang out with me. I'm a lot of fun, do a lot of different things. And also, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get into this highlighter collection. Okay, so this is my highlighter drawer. I think I'm gonna start with taking them all out and then just going one by one and putting them back in. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the highlighter palettes that I have. This one is a classic Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This one's in Gleam. It has 4 super awesome shades. This one I can only really use in the summer, but these two are like perfect for my winter skin tone. I actually haven't used this in a while, but I need to get back to it. These glow kits are amazing. All of them have really awesome formulas, so love that. I'll stay on the glow kit trend, and I also have the Moonchild palette from Anastasia. I love this one. I need to use it more often for sure. You can't really tell in the palette, but these have some like really cool reflex to them. Like you can see it more on my fingers, like the blue shift and the pink shift and the green shift. Like so cool. Those are really fun for like colorful looks. Okay, next I have the Kylie Wet Set, and this formula is super unique. It's a like kind of putty formula. You can see that like when you put your finger in it, it like mooshes it around. I really like this, and it's awesome for layering too. If you want like a super powerful glow, you can put this on the bottom and then a powder on top, and you get like a really bright highlight. Okay, this next one I love so much. It's the Pirates of the Caribbean collection with Lorac Cosmetics, and they came out with this cool little book. This is from the newest movie. It has blushes and highlights in it. This formula is really creamy and looks really nice on the skin. I don't have anything else from Lorac Cosmetics, but I definitely wanted to pick this up because I'm a big fan of those movies. So yeah, I really like this. Okay, next I have the 24 Karat palette by Jeffree Star, and you can already see how beautiful this one is. This is my favorite shade because I can use it pretty much year round. I love using this one in the summer too. This one is a really nice blush topper, and those 3 are kind of a little dark for me, but still overall I really love this palette. I use this one so much. Okay, I'm gonna stay on the trend of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I have this Skin Frost. It is called Summer Snow Cone, and this was, I don't even know what summer collection it was, maybe last year, but it's this awesome yellowy gold, but it doesn't come off this yellow when you wear it. It just comes off as a really nice, really nice bright gold, so I love this one. So this next Skin Frost I have is Jeffree's collab with Manny MUA. They are not friends anymore, but I was a really big fan of both of them around the time where they released this, so I had to get it. I haven't used this one in a while. I kind of forgot that I had it. It's a really nice color. I need to use it more often for sure. Okay, so this Skin Frost is called Princess Cut. It is just an icy pink, and usually I like to mix it with this one called Peach Goddess to get kind of a cool toned highlight. As you can tell, this one is well loved. This was the first Skin Frost I ever got, and honestly I think this one has the best formula. I don't know why, but it is just so nice. This was actually one of the first, if not the first, Jeffree Star product I ever bought, so good mans with that one. Okay, I'm sticking with Jeffree for right now. So this is his Supreme Frost formula, which is a lot more glittery than the Skin Frosts. Let me see if I can show you through a swatch. You see how glittery that is? It's really nice. I love it. This color's amazing. I'm wearing it today actually. But just very intense, not for the faint of heart. And then this one is called Wet Dream. What did I say the last one was called? Diamond Wet. And this one is a little bit more gold. It's kind of a similar tone, but you can tell the difference in the swatch. Like Diamond Wet is a lot more pinky and this one is a lot more like yellowy gold. But yeah, those are so pretty. Okay, now I think I'm gonna move on to Kylie. So I have her original highlighter formula in the shade French Vanilla. I got this when she first released her highlighters. Oh, I ordered French Vanilla and it came broken, so they sent me a whole new one. And I guess I haven't even used the new one. But I should use it because it is a really pretty white gold. Can you see that from the reflection? I actually really like this color and I don't mind this formula. You do have to build it up, but it's nice for someone who doesn't love like a crazy highlight. Okay, and then here is her new updated highlighter formula. I have this one in shade Dreamin' of Diamonds, and this one's really pretty when I'm tanner because it is more of like a gold. So it can kind of be a lot on pale skin, but it's really nice on like a tan medium skin tone. Okay, this is from one of her birthday collections, I believe. But she has the loose glitters or loose highlighters in other colors now. But this one's called King, and it is just a really wearable gold color. This is what I reach for when I want a really blinding highlight or to put on just the very tippy tops of my cheeks because it is crazy bright. Yeah, this is like amazing, and they're only like $14, so if you're looking for a loose highlighter, I would check hers out. And then the last formula I have of hers is the Jelly highlighter, and I haven't used this one that much, but I did want to show it to you guys. It is a really cute pink color with gold reflex, and I think it might be a little bit too dark for me right now, but in the summer this is gonna be really pretty. Also just like put on top of blush to give you a little glow. So this is an Artist Couture loose highlighter. This one's actually pretty similar to the Kylie one, but this one is a little bit of a higher price point and also has a little bit more product in it. Any loose highlighter, guys, is gonna be like crazy blinding. Just because the pigments are so little, they can really like work into your skin. So love this. They actually have this brand at Sephora now, so check them out. So I picked this up at like a really bougie Rite Aid. They had this brand called Galactic, and I've heard of them before, so I was like, I'll try something of theirs. But this is just like a super natural, as you can see, highlighter. I'll swatch it. Really nice and buttery, but just not much shine there. So this is perfect for someone who wants just the tiniest little bit of like natural glow. You can almost use this as like a glowy all over face powder. That's how like not shiny it is. So I keep this around just in case I need it, but I don't really reach for this one. So I got this when I was in Paris. It's a Guerlain highlighter stick. It smells like honeysuckle. It smells so good, and it looks so pretty on like with like bronzy eyes and a really bronzed face. It's in the Terracotta collection. I don't know, it's a really pretty highlight. It's just in the color gold. This is one of my only stick foundations, or not foundations, highlighters, but I love this so much. Again, like it's a little dark for me right now because we're in the middle of winter, but can't wait to whip this boy out again. So I'm gonna go into drugstore land now. Guys, these Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters, I have 3 of them, are the best drugstore highlighters there are. Like, you will not find a better one. Let me show you. They are so creamy. They feel better than half of the like high-end highlighters I have. They're so nice. Like, look at that reflect. Focus. Guys, look at that. That is so pretty. I can't get over these, honestly. I would recommend picking these up 100% because they're only like $10 and they're some of the best highlighters that you'll ever use. Seriously, they will not let you down. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video of like the best drugstore makeup that's like actually worth it, because I have some really good recommendations from the drugstore like these. Okay, so next I have a little e.l.f. Jelly Pop face and eye gloss. To be honest, I haven't used this yet. Jeffree Star recommended it, so you know I had to try it. It's this really pretty like sparkly whitey silver color. I just haven't gotten myself to use it yet because I don't think this formula really dries down. Like the Kylie jelly formula does, but this one doesn't. So you have to wear it on a day that it's not windy, that your hair can't get stuck in it. Like, I don't know, there are a lot of caveats to wearing this, so I haven't gotten around to it yet. So my mom actually picked this out for me. We were in Ulta and she was like, that looks cool, you should try that. So here I am. And I actually love this. It is a really pretty, it says it's holographic, but it's not. It's just like, it reminds me of the Anastasia Glow Kit kind of. It just has that like really pretty pink shift and it looks awesome on top of like really pink cheeks. I actually really love this. Okay, and then I think this is my last drugstore highlighter, but these Wet n Wild ones were like the first really amazing drugstore highlighters. Like they were really first on the jump when highlighting got like crazy popular. This one is called Golden Flower Crown, which is just like a pretty gold, straight gold. And this one is called Precious Petals, and this one is a little bit more pinky with gold reflex. These are amazing, guys. I don't think they're as good as the Maybelline ones, but they are a close second. They're really nice, and these I think are only like $4, so you really can't go wrong. If you really want a good highlight and you want it now, just head over to like Walgreens and pick these up. These are so good. Okay, sorry, one last Jeffree Star. I just talked about this in my favorite glitter products video, so make sure to go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. I wear this and so you can see it on my skin, but this is in the shade Canary Bling, and this is a liquid frost. You can wear it on your body and face, but I mostly wear it on my body, like shoulders and chest. It just looks so pretty. It gives you the nicest like glittery glow. I really love this product. I'm actually thinking about picking up more colors in this because I love it. Okay, so Becca Champagne Pop has been a staple for people's makeup collections for like years now. It's been like a cult favorite product, but I literally didn't pick it up until this summer, and I'm so glad I did because I use it almost every day. I don't know why, but it just like, it hits so right. It's just this goldeny champagne color. It looks so good. It just is so gleaming, glistening. It's the perfect tone. It really makes every look pop. Can't recommend it enough, honestly. Okay, and then my last three highlighters are Fenty Beauty. This one I also just talked about in my favorite glitter products video. This is the Diamond Bomb, I believe. It's also that sort of putty consistency like the Kylie Wet Set is, and it just is pure glitter. I'm so in love with this. If you are looking for like an icy glitter highlight, you have to get this. It also looks so good on your body too, like on your collarbones and shoulders. Just love all around. Okay, I also have Trophy Wife, which, okay, looks absolutely insane in the pan, but it is a really pretty eyeshadow. And also, if you just take the lightest touch of it, like with a brush, it disperses this like just glittery goldness on your cheeks that looks really nice over a gold highlight, just as like a little topper moment. It doesn't really work for me if I just use this. I have to kind of use it sparingly because it is kind of a crazy bright yellow for me, but I'll swatch it for you guys. It is just so pretty. I love it. It's such a unique color, and she just released like a whole collection of like lip glosses and eyeliner and everything in this Trophy Wife color, so clearly it's got something going for it. Okay, last but not least is the Killawatt highlighter in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal, and this is probably one of my most used like everyday highlighters. When I'm going for like a cool toned highlight, I always reach for this. As you can see, there used to be the FB Fenty Beauty presser in here, and you can barely even see it anymore. That's how much I use this. I usually just mix both the colors together and pop it on. I really need more of these duos. I think that there are a couple colors that will really work for me, and I love this one so much that I do want to get some more. So that is the end of my highlight video. Let me know what part of my makeup collection you want to see next, whether it's eyeshadows or lipsticks or like bronzer blush. That's really fun. just let me know, keep me updated. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it so I know to keep making more. And that's all from me. So, can't see my face, but stay on fleek, friends. Bye.